717 Credit Union, a community-minded partner to help you succeed. Business loans, business checking, and business money market and certificates. 717 Credit Union. We're a local business too. A large additive manufacturing ecosystem is taking shape with the City of Youngstown at its center. The driving force behind the development of that ecosystem is America Makes, the first manufacturing hub in the country dedicated to additive manufacturing located in downtown Youngstown. John WILCZYNSKI is executive director.
I travel all over the United States, and when you mention Youngstown, people truly identify it as the additive manufacturing focal point in the United States. So that's something to be very proud of, but we need to make sure people understand it and we're taking advantage of it.
A big part of that push happened Tuesday and Wednesday during America Makes annual members and meeting exchange held at Stambaugh Auditorium. It was a chance for America Makes members to share ideas and identify opportunities in the industry.
We do a lot regionally to develop the ecosystem, to understand what the needs are, understand what the needs of, whether educationally or related to the supply chain. And we really want to take that and then leverage our learnings and then deploy that across the country.
ERIN O'Donnell, Director of Partnerships and Community Relations at America Makes, says the Institute took a couple big steps toward that goal this year by adding 2 additional satellite centers, one at Texas A&M and another at Wichita State University. They joined the first satellite center, which was established at the University of Texas El Paso in 2015.
So as I continue through 2019 and 2020 to go and engage different areas and see where there's other possible satellite centers, those are really 3 things I'm looking for: capability, network, and technology.
While all the centers are working in the same industry, each is focused on a different aspect of additive manufacturing.
We really want it to go somewhere, and that's really the metrics that we are all being evaluated against.
Chris HOLHOUSER, Technical Director of the National Institute for Aviation Research, says a big focus at Wichita State is seeing how additive can be brought to the aerospace industry.
Not just about putting parts maybe on aircraft, but it's really how do I address some of the foundational elements or gaps that prevent the technology from really truly being industrialized.
Rob GORHAM, director of the Texas A&M Engineering Experiment Station, is working to get additive into several market sectors in Texas.
The Austin folks tell us they're interested in production, technology, heavy machinery, and food processing. And then specifically with regard to Houston, they talk about energy. And so you can think about us serving as an opportunity to try to get a lot of these technologies into these different market sectors that I think will be very valuable to all of us at the end of the day.
At University of Texas El Paso, Ryan Wicker, director of the Keck Center for 3D Innovation, is working to develop new membership models for America Makes.
If an organization would like to contract with us to build parts, those fees for that can count towards membership.
But you don't have to go to Texas to see the impact of America Makes work.
What does an international airport have to do with additive manufacturing?
During the conference, David Storer, Director of Business Development for the Allegheny County Airport Authority, announced the Pittsburgh International Airport plans as part of its $1.1 billion renovation project to build an innovation campus that will house several additive manufacturing companies.
It's going to be a 195-acre campus surrounded and focused on production of additive manufacturing. It'll be all-encompassing from powder, parts, people, and everything that makes up the industry.
In addition, says Program Manager of the Air Force Research Lab Dennis Butcher, companies like Fitz Frames are relocating to Youngstown to take advantage of the infrastructure and expertise built by America Makes.
And one of the things that the business owners were mentioning is that they couldn't do the work that they're doing, deliver the product that they're delivering to the market without the ecosystem, without America Makes, and without everybody else that's part of the community. So I think what I'd really like to see is kind of that collaboration, that mentality transplanted to some of these other ecosystems as well, and I think they're well on their way to doing that.
717 Credit Union, a community-minded partner to help you succeed. Business loans, business checking, and business money market and certificates. 717 Credit Union. We're a local business too.